How to delete blocked contacts on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can delete blocked contacts on WhatsApp, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now the issue here is quite simple. You want to simply open WhatsApp Messenger. Let's say you have a certain person that you just happen to block. After you block them, you normally tap the profile icon from the top right, go to privacy. Under privacy, you would need to go to the option called blocked contacts. But then when you go to block contacts, you would be able to see a list of people that you have blocked. And then if you would like to delete them, you just have to long press and then choose to unblock them. That is because WhatsApp doesn't let you actually remove these people unless you unblock them. You cannot just simply hide them. And you might be talking about you block this person, you don't want to see them even in your block list, you want to remove them. Well, unfortunately that is not possible to do it because WhatsApp cannot work based on your emotions. It's just a human emotion. Maybe you got pissed off with some kind of people, you just block them, you don't want to see them in the block list, then WhatsApp will not let you do that. You have to unblock them, because later on, what if you decide that you want to unblock that person and then you can't find them in your block list because you don't also remember the number? How do you unblock that person? That's simply not possible. Until and unless you choose to unblock them, they are not going to be removed from your block list. And as a consumer of the WhatsApp product, I also hope you understand this as a person, because it is not legal or viable for WhatsApp to let you delete block contacts from their block list, because what if you want to actually unblock that person later on? So if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.